What's up, guys? Welcome back again. We're here at the CLEETUS and Cars event. Gonna go do some extracurricular activities, take a break from working on the car. Got some more work to do on that. But this time, today, we're gonna have some fun. So let's go check it out. Out here checking everything out. They got some pretty cool cars out here. Check it out.
So bad, but they're so expensive now.
They're untouchable.
You
can't get them for the money.
I know a guy with a couple of them.
Huh?
I know a guy with a couple.
You know a guy with a couple of them?
I know a couple of them too.
I wonder. Yeah, they're too much. They're too much money, man. Too much money. I mean, like that car right there, just the shell, $5,000.
Yeah, I know.
That's a lot of money for a car.
A few moments later.
injectors on
Yeah.
it. That's wild, man.
She sounds like she's trying to go deep.
Have you talked to Fuel Tech about the new injectors, the 320 pound injectors? That's what I'm considering running.
We have just Bosch 2200s, and we haven't ran out of injector yet, so
Really?
we don't have a reason to switch yet.
That's what's up.
And if we stay on this fuel, we should be fine.
That's what it's
We
on
go to, like,
corn, right?
It's E90.
E90.
Ignite E90. So.
Nice, very cool.
Yeah, if we went to like methanol or something, we'd have to change
That's
it
what's
up.
up. Yeah, I'm going straight corn on the Camaro.
That's awesome.
It's a pretty cool car. It's pretty bonkers. So he said he's running Bosch 2200 injectors on the car. Says he has no reason to switch yet. So I asked about the Fuel Tech injectors because that's what I'm interested in for the Camaro. So he's running Fuel Tech FT550, I think. Let me take a look. Let's see what he's running. Yeah, he's running a FT550. So he's got a extra 150 on top of us, I guess. Well, no, 100. I guess you could say it's 100 because he's got the 550 and I got the 450. I know this is a lot of fun. I'm kind of like, dang, I want to do this next year. But next year is in February, so it won't be done then. I know that. But that's okay though. It's part of the journey. It's not about, oh, get it done quick. So you're done your build quick and then you're done. And then you can go do stuff. I guess that's cool. But building is the fun part for me. That is one loud bastard. I killed the cone. I'm not even in a car and I killed the cone. That's one loud bastard, man. I'll tell you what. If you have eardrums left after that, I'm proud of you. I'm super proud of you. Golly. Feels like you stuck a Q-tip and you just bopped it in your ear. telling you what, next time I'm bringing my scooter. Pretty much. What's up, Brant? How's it going, man?
Thanks for coming out, bro.
Good, man. I'm the guy with the K24 Camaro.
Oh yeah, dude. I can't wait to see that thing done, bro.
I can't wait either. I'm contemplating getting rid of the ZF and
Yeah.
going to the Power Glide.
Okay, yeah, either or, whatever you
But
guys
I'm down with what you guys are doing, man.
Thank you.
Really.
Yeah, keep me informed too.
Yeah.
If you want any help tuning or just being part of it, I'd love to,
Dude,
love
that's
to help
what's up.
out any way,
That's
any
what's
way
up, man.
possible, man.
Absolutely.
For sure.
Good to meet
Sounds
you, man.
amazing.
Thanks.
I always wanted to build a Camaro, so
You still can. You can
Yeah,
do a
they're sweet.
J-Maro, get the Camaro.
yeah, I had when they were building Honda, I'm like, I'm gonna go get a Camaro and do
Well,
a Camaro.
my best buddy told me, he's like, an old woman told me, when you hit your middle ages, you'll get smart, you'll buy a Camaro, and you'll realize what you need. And I realized doing the spark plugs in them suck.
Suck.
Super suck.
Terrible.
Terrible. So, but yeah, we got fuel tech, all that stuff. So.
Oh, the
Yeah.
best.
Let me ask you something about fuel tech.
Yep.
What do you know about the 320-pound injectors? Will that fit in the K-Series fuel rail, you think?
Oh yeah.
I
yeah,
got a Pro
right
Series from Golden Eagle.
You may have, yeah, even if you have to like tap the holes or whatever, 14 millimeters all they are. So it's
Dude, that's
actually
like twice
14
the
millimeters
fuel.
is what the stock is. So it's
It's like twice the fuel.
yeah.
You know?
So you're looking at the 320 fuel tech injector.
Mhm.
So that one at like 42 pounds of base is still at 2200, and then at I think they rate them at 80 or 90 base. That's
Gotcha.
the 320.
Yeah.
So either way,
Yeah, we switched out from the A2 because I made a mistake and didn't cover some holes.
Yeah,
We got water all in it. Switched out to the Z3 with a header fold design,
yeah,
so more room.
yeah, that'll definitely give you some space.
Yeah, absolutely. Good to meet you, man.
Yeah, it's awesome
Yeah,
to meet you.
we'll see you soon.
Yeah.
So that's fun. I bet I hold the camera all sorts of ways, right? Normally we're working on the car and we're just like holding stuff. You know, maybe next time I'll bring my tripod and get all fancy. So we're here with the guys from KSR. We got Mr. Adam, right? Adam, he's got a B swap.
Team KSR.
Team KSR.
Yeah, Team
My bad.
KSR.
Team KSR. He's got GSR B series. We're working on it, single turbo. I told him he should go compound. It's gonna be a monster. So you may see that one day, real soon. And what do you drive?
I got a little black S10. We call it Dirty Dime. Got a little 6.0 swap LS, 92 millimeter turbo.
Nothing wrong with 8 cylinders, man. Nothing wrong. Just because I got rid of it doesn't mean.
No. I mean, hey, we can line them up one day. We can line them up.
We should.
Yeah.
We should line them up. We can line them right now, and I guarantee you, you'd win.
I got you.
Things sitting out in the garage floor.
No, man, we're happy to get KSR to build that motor
Yeah.
and get it all back together. And we'll be testing tomorrow here at Bradenton,
Dude, that's
next
what's up.
door.
Nice.
And seat the rings in it, and then we're gonna send it.
That's it.
We run no time, and I only want to go 100.
Build it, send it, fix it, send it. That's the recipe
That's
for fun.
it, bro. That's it.
Exactly.
That's for sure.
Well, it was great meeting you guys.
Yeah,
It's
man.
a
Hey,
small
absolutely,
world,
bro.
right?
Yeah, man. Hey,
Absolutely.
way down here. Did it take y'all 3 or like 4.5 hours to get here
About
because of
3
traffic?
and change. Yeah, everybody's pump and go. Everybody was pump and go. Yeah.
Irvin and what was that? Orange Lakes to the cutoff at the turnpike was like bumper to bumper.
Everybody runs the same quarter mile on the interstate when they're stuck.
Yeah, there you go, bro. Hell yeah, man.
Do you guys have a channel or anything you want to drop?
Nah, man. We just, shout out to KSR,
Yeah.
man.
Kevin?
Yeah.
Kevin's a good guy.
Yeah, hit up KSR Performance and give him the shout outs, guys, because, I mean, for my truck, anyhow, he is the guru behind the madness.
Yeah, and it's always good to have good people, man.
Yeah,
like,
yeah, absolutely.
especially in this, you know, you surround yourself with good people,
Yep.
you never go wrong.
Yeah,
you
you
know?
don't like these guys. I mean, the meticulousness is just crazy. It don't come out of the shop if it's not right. So
Absolutely. Well, it's good to meet you guys,
yeah,
man.
You too,
for
bro.
sure,
you
man.
too. You too.
Absolutely.
And,
Sir, you too.
Yeah, we'll see you around town
yeah,
for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. Dude.
I said Spanish calling and Roxton.
There you have it. We did some cool stuff. We had some fun. Got away from the shop for a little bit. Got to see some cars break. Got to see some tires fire. But until then, you know, we have to make progress. So got to go back to work. Pull the transmission off the A2 to put it on the Z3. We got to pull the clutch, flywheel, bolts, all that. So we'll go ahead and get that progress done. So that way we can get closer to doing stuff with the car, because that's going to be exciting. So make sure you hit all the buttons and everything, because it's been a while, but we're back. I'm glad to be here, and I'm glad you're here with me. Until then, we'll see you next time.